Hi everybody, welcome back. In this episode I'm welding a fire pit. I had a piece of concrete steel mesh laying around and was thinking how I could use it for a project. And then an idea came to mind to make a fire pit from it. Orienting the mesh straight up is not that interesting, and that is why I shifted it 45 degrees and took it from there. With the paper stencil this design was drafted. This project did go together super easy, so I don't need to explain a lot here. This is done with a small electrode welder. With some practice, the steel welded nicely. The rust and contamination was removed before welding. This helps to get a good weld, but also it welds quicker. But you do need to take time for the prepping. The welding is quick because they are all tack welds. I didn't overheat the steel by having a short welding time. Later on, I'll be bending the mesh and I'm partially grinded the steel to easily bend it. Enjoy the video! In the end, it came out nice, and it's a prototype, so still a bit rough around the edges, but I'm happy with the result. Thanks for watching.